This is an example of how to use your calendar in Microsoft Outlook 2013. Johnson Johnson here, CGC of Not IT, is the example account. So while you're in Outlook, go into your calendar. As you can see, there's currently selected the month view. So looking at the upcoming items on my calendar, I see there's annual performance evaluations in my office. If I double click on this multi-day event, it should come up with the information that I need. Send out appointments and write evaluation. Make sure all employees are here. Okay, so you can save and close if you made a change, or you can just close it. So I'll just close it. So now looking at this, I'm going to make an appointment. There's a couple ways you can make an appointment. And click on the date, select the Home tab. You can do a new appointment. If I select new appointment from this method, I get to select some options here. And we're going to just say on the subject, evaluation, education, office. I'm going to go down and I'm going to make this for 1:30 p.m. I'm going to allot for 1 hour. In this section here, this is where I'm going to put information that's relative to this appointment. I can go through and do several different options. I prefer to have 2-hour reminder. I can make this a very important appointment. I can change my status. This will stay as busy. I can click on invite attendees. If you use this method, you can go in, change it to your contacts if you'd like, select who exactly you want to schedule this appointment for. I prefer to do it another way. I prefer to go to Scheduling Assistant, then Add Attendees. Of course, I change the drop down. Contacts. For this particular appointment, I want to start from the top and work my way down. The next individual would be Picnic, Director of Problem Resolutions. Required. So now I'm going to click on Send. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like from Picnic's point of view. Now I'm logged in as Picnic. You see in the inbox, message arrived from Johnson Johnson. Evaluation. This is your annual evaluation. It shows you the calendar in the appointment. You can accept the appointment, send a response, do not send a response, edit the response. You can mark it again as tentative. Same options, sending you or not sending responses. You can decline, again indicating options there. You could say tentative and propose a new time, or decline and propose a new time. before I do anything with this appointment, I can look at my calendar. When I look at the calendar, I see I'm in Las Vegas for a conference. If I click on the conference, it shows me as working elsewhere. So I'm going to go back to mail. I'm going to select decline. I'm going to edit the response. Type to my message in the body. I'm sending it. Once you make a decision as far as accepting, declining an appointment from your inbox, that message automatically goes away. I look at the calendar, you'll see that the appointment does not stay there. Going back to Johnson & Johnson, you go into mail. And you'll see that Picnic has declined a meeting with the message. So I'm going to go back to the calendar. You have several options for changing an appointment. You can double click and edit the event, which is what I'm going to do because it's the preferred method. You could take the appointment and drag it to another date, leaving the same time. The 30th does not work, so we're going to move it until the 3rd. Still on the attendee list. And we're going to send the update. As you see, the appointment moved to the corrected date. The time stayed the same because we log back on as Picnic. And we see the new mail message, the appointment coming in Thursday. Okay, we changed it. We got the change. And we're going to send a response. Again, when you decline or accept an appointment from your inbox, as soon as that action takes place, the message goes away. You can go to your calendar and view the appointment and see that the appointment is there. If you go back to Johnson & Johnson, you see the appointment there. You can check mail. You'll see Picnic has accepted. That is one example of using Outlook to create and modify appointments.